Hydrolases. Class 3, hydrolases. Hydrolases are enzymes which catalyze hydrolytic reactions. That is, addition of water molecule takes place across the bond which is cleaved. It is again subdivided into several subclasses depending on nature of bond hydrolyzed. The general reaction type is AB plus water will give you AOH plus BH. The subclass tells us about the bond hydrolyzed. If subclass is 1, then ester bond is hydrolyzed. If subclass is 2, then glycosidic bond is hydrolyzed. The subclass further describes the type of bond hydrolyzed in subclass. EC number with third digit tells us the exact nature of bond cleaved. For example, 3.1.1 are enzymes which act on carboxylic ester bond because subclass 1 tells us that ester bond is being hydrolyzed. Another example is 3.2.1. These enzymes hydrolyze O-glycosyl compounds. Example, EC 3.1.1.3 are glyceryl ester hydrolase, that is lipase. The reaction is triglyceride plus water will give you diglyceride plus fatty acid. Class 4 is lyases. Lyases catalyze breaking of bonds. They catalyze removal of small molecule not by hydrolysis but by cleaving C single bond C, C single bond O or C single bond N bonds and other bonds from a larger substrate molecule leaving double bonds, or in reverse reaction adding groups to double bonds. The reaction is written as CX single bond CY will give you C double bond C plus XY. It is further classified on basis of linkage they attack. Subclass indicates bond broken. If subclass is 1, then C single bond C lyase, that is C single bond C is broken. If subclass is 2, then CO lyase. The subclass further describes the type of group removed in subclass. If subclass is 1 in subclass 1, then carboxyl group is removed. If subclass is 2 in subclass 1, then aldehyde group is removed. The example is EC 4.1.2 is aldehyde lyase. Specific example, EC 4.1.2.7 is ketose 1-phosphate aldehyde lyase. Trivial name aldolase. The reaction is ketose 1-phosphate will give you dihydroxyacetone phosphate plus aldehyde. Class 5, isomerases. These enzymes catalyze isomerization reaction. These enzymes interconvert various types of isomers. They are further classified according to the type of reaction catalyzed. For example, D isomer is converted into L isomer and the enzyme is racemase. The subclass tells us about the type of isomerization reaction. If subclass is 1, then racemization or epimerization reaction is taking place. If subclass is 2, then cis-trans isomerization is taking place. The subclass further describes the type of molecule undergoing isomerization. Thus, for racemases and epimerases, if subclass is 1, then the substrate is amino acid. If subclass is 2, then hydroxy acid. Specific example, EC 5.1.1.1 is alanine racemase, which catalyzes following reaction. L-alanine is interconverted into D-alanine. Another example is EC 0.3, 0.1, 0.9 phosphohexose isomerase. The reaction is D-glucose 6-phosphate will give you D-fructose 6-phosphate. Class 6 ligases. These enzymes bring about synthetic linking together of two molecules simultaneously coupled with breakdown of high energy phosphate bond of ATP or similar triphosphates. Examples are X plus Y plus ATP will give you XY plus ADP plus PI. Another example is X plus Y plus ATP will give you XY plus AMP plus PPI. The subclass in the class denotes the type of bond synthesized. For example, if subclass is 1, then CO bond is synthesized. If subclass is 2, then CS bond is synthesized. The subclass further describes the bond being formed. For example, 6.1.1 are enzymes forming amino acyl transfer RNA. That is, they join amino acid to transfer RNA. 6.3.1 is another example. Here the enzymes are acid ammonia ligases. That is, they are forming amide bond or CONH2 bond. Specific example, EC 6.3.1.2. The enzyme is L-glutamate ammonia ligase (ADP). The trivial name of the enzyme is glutamine synthetase. Here ADP denotes that the ATP hydrolyzes to give you ADP and PI, which provides energy to the bond which is being formed. The reaction is as follows. ATP plus L-glutamate plus ammonia will give you ADP plus PI plus L-glutamine.